In this tutorial, we're going to be looking at arithmetic operators. These operators are just like the ones we have in maths, such as addition and subtraction. So now I'm going to write print, and I'm going to write 10 plus 6. And the answer to this is obviously 16. So this is the addition operator in Python. Now we're going to do 10 subtract 6. That'll be 4. Now we're going to move on to multiplication, which is represented with an asterisk. And there's also another kind of multiplication operator, which you have 2 asterisks for. This basically means it's 10 to the power of 6. So that will be like 1 million. And then now we're going to move on to division, which is a slash. And we have 1.6 recurring. And this is a floating point number, but if you want an integer, then you have to put 2 slashes. And then the integer of this is 1. There's also another one called a modulus operator, which is a percent sign, which gives you the remainder, which is 4. We also have augmented assignment operators, which are just short ways of writing something. Okay, so now we're going to get a variable, so n then equals, let's say, 6. And then on the next line, you realize that n is supposed to equal 10. Then you would do n equals n plus 4. Then if you were to print it, then it would say 10. But with an augmented assignment operator, we want to short form our code. So instead of writing that, we could do n plus equals 4. And it would still equal 10.